Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I welcome you all today to the class. Today we are going to learn the subject science and the topic is plants. As you all know that the main source of food we get is from the plants. So plants give us food and plants are very important for all animals, okay, and human beings, because we all depend on plants for food. For example, fruits, vegetables, yes, we need plants for all these things. So now we will learn about a process which is called as photosynthesis. Through this process the plants make their food. Okay, so photo means light, synthesis means put together. So there are many things which the plant needs to prepare its food. Okay, now the first thing is the process of plants making food is known as photosynthesis. So the plant, you all know the different parts of the plant. Now the plant, first thing it needs is the sunlight. Plants need sunlight, okay, for making the food. Then it needs water, okay, it needs water, and also it needs air. The air which the plant need is known as carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is required for the plant to make its food. And water. So the water is absorbed by the roots and then it goes into the stem along with the nutrients, okay, and then the roots absorb the water and nutrients from the soil and it carries through the stem. Now stem is like a straw which you, while for example you are drinking a juice, yes, you use a straw. So through the straw, the water or the juice goes into your mouth. In the same way, after the water and nutrients are absorbed by the roots, the stem sucks it. It takes it through the hollow space which is there in the stem, and then it carries to all parts of the plant, okay, to the leaf, to the flower and everything. And then we are having, look here, carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Now chlorophyll is the green pigment or color. Okay, another name for color is pigment. Okay, so carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the plant is making the food, that is glucose and oxygen. Okay, so the glucose it is preparing for itself and oxygen is the gas which the plant does not require. So it gives it out for other animals and human beings. Okay, now which part of the plant is the food being made? It is the leaf. Leaf is the main part of the plant. Like at home, we have kitchen. So kitchen is the place where we make our food. Okay, so now leaf is the part of the plant which is preparing the food. Now we will come to know about the structure of a leaf, that is different parts of a leaf. This is the stem and connected to the stem is the leaf. Now this part of the leaf is known as the petiole. Through the petiole the nutrients enter the leaf and this long extension is known as the midrib, and through the midrib at the sides we have side veins, and the upper part, the green part of the leaf, flat part, is known as the leaf blade, and then we have the tip of the leaf is known as apex. Okay, now exchange of gases takes place through small holes known as stomata. So here carbon dioxide is converted into oxygen. Okay, so the small holes which are present in the leaf, what are they called? Stomata. Okay, Now after the leaf is preparing the food, it has prepared the food. Now next what it is going to do? Like your mother has made food at home. All the food is not eaten by you all. Some will be left. Okay. The remaining food is stored in the refrigerator. In the same way, the plant also stores the food in different forms, in different parts. Different plants store it in different places. Like for example, a mango tree. Here the food, that is the starch, the glucose is converted into starch. Now that starch is stored in mango, that is a fruit, in the form of fruit. Then we have some plants store their food in the leaves. Like for example, cabbage. Few plants store in the form of flowers, that is cauliflower. Then few store starch in the stem. For example, sugarcane. Then a few store their food in the form of roots, that is carrot. Okay. So today you have learnt photosynthesis and structure of a leaf and the parts where the plant stores its food. Okay student? Jazakallah.